Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can download WhatsApp Messenger app on the phone. Before starting, let me tell you that WhatsApp and WhatsApp Messenger app are the same. So in order to download WhatsApp Messenger, just go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp in the search bar. In the results section you will find WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp and WhatsApp Messenger are the same, so install the WhatsApp Messenger and open it. After you open the app, you have to set up your account using your mobile number, which we have already discussed in our previous video. Now you can use WhatsApp as a messenger to send various text and other messages. Thank you for watching the video.